A very great morning, students. I hope you all are feeling well. My name is Malti Sharma. In previous video, we have discussed about the chapter exponent and its laws. Today, we are going to start exercise 2A based on the chapter exponent. Let's start from the question number 1. Minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3. In this question, the base is minus 2 by 3 and the exponent is minus 3, which is negative. And with the base and with the exponent, this formation is called an exponential form. An exponential form. Now, applying the laws of the exponent for every non-zero integer, A. What do you mean by non-zero integer? As we know that about the integer, we all know about the integers. All positive, negative, all positive and negative counting numbers including 0. जितनी भी हमारी पॉजिटिव काउंटिंग है, पॉजिटिव काउंटिंग मीन्स 1, 2, 3, नेगेटिव मीन्स -1, -2, -3 एंड सो ऑन, विद 0 भी, इन सबको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? इंटीजर्स बुलाते हैं. And non-zero integer means the integer not equals to 0. वो integer किसके इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए? 0 के. For every non-zero integer A with a negative exponent is equals to reciprocal of its base with positive exponent. You know very well the meaning of the reciprocal. Reciprocal of its base. Your base is A. A का reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 1 by A with positive exponent. Your exponent is negative. It will be positive now. तो वो क्या बन जाएगी? पॉजिटिव 1. Now coming on your question, your base is minus 2 by 3 and your exponent is minus 3, which is negative. Then we will take reciprocal of the base. Base is minus 2 by 3. इसका reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? minus 3 by 2 with positive exponent. Your exponent is minus 3. Minus will be changed into positive and positive 3. Now we have new exponential form minus 3 by 2 raised to power positive 3. It means that we have multiplied minus 3 by 2 3 times. Minus 3 by 2 raised to power positive 3 means we have to write base with a 3 times. कितने टाइम्स लिख देंगे हम बेस को? 3 टाइम्स लिख देंगे. माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, 3 3 द 9, 9 3 द 27, 2 2 द 4, 4 2 द 8. The solution of this given exponential form minus 2 by 3 raised to power minus 3 is equals to minus 27 by 8. Again, same as like the second question, there is your base 4 by 3 and your exponent is minus 2. Again क्या आ गई? Negative. So applying the law of the exponent, a non-zero integer with a negative the base with the positive exponent. Now the base is 4 by 3. Then its reciprocal will be 3 by 4. And your exponent is minus 2. It will become positive with exponent 2. Now we have again 3 by 4 raised to power 2 and exponential form. We can write 3 by 4 multiply 3 by 4, the expanded form of an exponential form. It means that 3 by 4 will be written as 2 times 3 3 the 9 and 4 4 the 16. The solution of this given exponential form 4 by 3 raised to power minus 2 is 9 by 60. Now we are coming on the question number 3. Question number 3 is 5 by 3 raised to power minus 3 multiply 3 by 5 raised to power minus 2 multiply 3 by 5 raised to power 0. In this question, how many bases you can see? Your first base is 5 by 3, second base is 3 by 5 and third base is again 3 by 5. Then how many bases you have? 3 bases है हमारे पास. First क्या है? 5 by 3, second one is 3 by 5 and third one is again 3 by 5. And how many exponents you have now? Your first exponent is minus 3, second exponent is minus 2 and your third exponent is 0. Now again applying the rule of the exponent. Firstly you will focus on first base. Your base is 5 by 3 with negative exponent. अब देखो आपका बेस क्या गिवन है? 5 by 3 with a negative exponent. Then according to the law of the exponent, with a non-zero positive integer with negative exponent is equals to reciprocal of the base with the positive exponent. It will be equals to 3 by 5 raised to power 3. Multiply. Again your base is 3 by 5 and exponent is negative. The reciprocal will be 3 by 5 by 3 raised to power positive 2. And your third base is 3 by 5 with non-zero integer with the exponent 0. The result is equals to 1. अब आपके पास देखो बेस क्या है? 3 by 5 और उसकी एक्सपोनेंट क्या गिवन है? 0. The result will be equals to 1. तो रिजल्ट किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा? हमारा 1 के इक्वल आ जाएगा. Now we have two exponential form, 3 by 5 raised to power 3 and 5 by 3 raised to power 2. Now we will expand 3 by 5 by 3 times. You can write it 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 divided by 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Same as multiply 5 is 2 times, 5 multiply 5, and 3 is also 2 times, 3 multiply 3, 5 cancel 2 times, and 3 is also cancelled by 2 times. The result will be equals to 3 by 5. So solution of this given question is 5 by 3 raised to power minus 3 multiply 3 by 5 raised to power minus 2 multiply 3 by 5 raised to power 0 is equals to 3 by 5. I hope students you have understood these two questions. Now you will solve the first 5 questions of exercise 2A, which is based on these two laws. Thank you and have a nice day.